today's video, I am going to teach you how to add shipping in WooCommerce. Whether you are setting up your store for the first time or improving your existing setup, understanding WooCommerce shipping is essential for smooth checkout and customer satisfaction. Let's get started by making sure shipping is enabled. Go to WooCommerce in your dashboard, open Settings, and then go to the General tab. Here you'll see an option called Shipping Locations, which lets you decide where you will ship your products. Once you adjust this setting, move to the Shipping tab. If you don't see the shipping options, it means shipping isn't enabled yet, so make sure the feature is turned on. This step is crucial because without shipping enabled, customers won't see any shipping choices during checkout. Once shipping is active, it's time to set up shipping zones. Shipping zones let you define specific geographic areas and assign shipping methods and rates based on the customer's address. To set this up, go back to WooCommerce, open Settings, go to Shipping, and then click on Shipping Zones. From here, select Add Zone. This is where you can create the exact region you want to serve. Give your zone a name such as California or domestic United States, depending on your delivery range. Then choose the geographical areas your zone will cover. You can select countries, states, or multiple regions, depending on your business needs. If you want even more precision, you can limit the zone to specific zip or postcodes. WooCommerce allows you to enter single codes, multiple codes, wildcards, or ranges, giving you complete control over which areas fall under each shipping zone. After filling in the necessary information, make sure to save your zone. WooCommerce will also create a default rest of the world zone for any addresses that don't match the zones you've defined, ensuring no customer is left without a shipping option. And that's it. You've successfully set up shipping in WooCommerce. With these settings in place, you'll be able to offer clear, flexible, and location-specific shipping options that improve the customer experience and increase your chances of successful orders. Be sure to explore our other WooCommerce tutorials for more helpful tips.